All here, welcome. It's called Montefalco. Yeah, this place is called Montefalco. It's a monastery, Benedictine monastery. When you come to explain that it is called Holy Shroud, you have heard about, no? Shroud of Turin. This is the replica of that. The original Turin is a photocopy of that. The second photocopy of the original. So the specialty of this is one of the most studied relics of Jesus, probably. And they say that a lot of scientific study has been conducted, and finally many scientists come to a conclusion that it has been Jesus, original shroud of Jesus. Okay, there is no dispute about this. And they have found certain things that happened really. What we know of Jesus' crucifixion and death may be little different from the scientific knowledge that they have brought in. Okay, therefore I will give you explanations on how the scientists have come to different understanding of the Holy Shroud. To understand this, beginning with the Holy, this is the shroud that was covered the body of Jesus, as we all know, this is the Holy Shroud. And one of the findings of the scientists is that generally we see the crown of Jesus, one round of crown, but actually this is bush of thorns, not a one round of crown, but it's a bush. The crown bush was placed on the head of Jesus. So that's how it was made. Yeah, it's not a one round crown, it's a bush, thorny bush. And these are the thorns that they were used. And these thorns are available at the Jerusalem at the mount of the crucifixion. So they have studied and they found these thorns to be there, and they believe these are thorns that were used for crowning Jesus' head. The thorns. Another finding that they came to conclude that Jesus carries not the cross. He carried a log of wood. When he was crucified, of course, it was a cross. Otherwise, he carried a log. This is the finding, another finding. And further they show how his back has been bruised because of the heavy log. And this we know on the left side of his and this is the thing used for flagellation. Okay. So they say these are the bones of some animals, and which were so sharp that they pierced the body of Jesus. And they will show how they pierced the body of Jesus. This is how it pierced. So when they use this flagellation, they get this kind of wound. It pulls out the flesh. So there's another finding that they have. That's another finding, interesting finding, is that when Jesus was nailed on the cross, we generally hear on the palm, right? But actually they say it's not in the middle of the palm, but at the wrist. Because if they nail here, the weight of the body cannot be held on the cross. Therefore, they have nailed here. So that's another finding they say. It's not in the palm, but on the wrist. Yeah. And this is the coin that was found probably on the shroud as well. The coin that was placed on the right eye of Jesus. There's a custom among the Jews that they place a coin after death. And these are few explanations. And when you come to the Holy Shroud proper, you find few patches, 4 places, right? There's a result of a fire accident that happened in one of the convents where it was preserved. It was preserved in a casket, in a box. So once it happened that there was a fire accident. When that happened, the edges of the casket burnt during this fire accident. And then when it burned, the corners, the cloth was folded, the shroud folded, and the four corners were burnt. Then what happened, sisters, there was the convent. They have taken patches of new cloth and switched. That's why we find patches. That's the reason why we find 4 patches. Then, another reason, the main reason why scientists believe this could be the Jesus, they say when they had taken this picture, photo rather, they never found those days a native picture so clear. It was a native picture at the time, negative picture. So it was so clear and everything was very clear. So what happened was, then they realized why they have been taking a lot of pictures, but then this picture has something different. And during the study, they have found out that when Jesus resurrected, they found that there must have been power emitted from the body of Jesus. That's why the imprint of the body is placed on the shroud. And this is could have been like an atom bomb. You see an atom bomb space, there's a lot of power coming up. That's how when Jesus resurrected, the power from his body emitted, and then the feature of Jesus was imprinted on the shroud. So that's one of the reasons they say this is the, because no ordinary human being can have that experience of power coming out. So that's one of the reasons to be Jesus shroud. Another finding was that this cloth also was containing what do you call the name?
Particles of bread and the flowers like
pollen, that's right. The pollen that was found around that place was also found on the shroud of Jesus. So probably they believe because the pollen, the flowers, the plants that are there, the butterflies or for the wing, it flies and then touches to the shroud. So they found probably the region, the place where Jesus buried. So naturally they come to a conclusion it has been from the time of Jesus and the place where Jesus buried. So these are the few findings the scientists come to conclude. Any doubts? It's a brief explanation, it's not in detail.
This was taken a print of the negative conversion printed on the cloth, no?
Yeah, first they have taken a print of a cloth. From that is the second copy, it's not the first copy, second copy of the original.